Tower, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land.
Yeah, 1108, your left Bravo 9, taxi towards spot 1, contact the ramp 2977.
Spot 2, ramp 2977, United. 1108.
1108, a 739 from Denver. Welcome. Welcome to San Diego.
Tower, good morning. Southwest 2363 is RNAV for runway 27.
Southwest 2363, number tower traffic will hold in position. Wind 21010, runway 27, cleared to land.
27 clear to land, Southwest 2363.
Alaska 611, number tower traffic will hold in position. Wind 21010, runway 27, clear to land.
Runway 27, clear to land.
Southwest 2534, left turn Bravo 8 on the Bravo, contact ground.
Bravo 8, Bravo ground. Good day, Southwest 2534.
Hey, welcome, Southwest from Austin.
2363, disregard traffic in position.
Alright, disregard Southwest 2363. Southwest 2363, want to verify we're clear to land?
Southwest 2363, affirmative, runway 27, clear to land.
27 clear to land, Southwest 2363.
United 2037, left turn Bravo, when able, taxi spot 1. Contact the ramp 2977, traffic is a mile and a half in trail.
Left turn, spot 1, ramp United 2037.
2037, welcome to town from Chicago, Illinois.
American 2308, number tower, runway 27, line of way, traffic 5 mile final.
27 line up and wait, American 2308.
Southwest 2363, turn left Bravo 8, traffic on for you, contact ground.
Left Bravo 8, clear. Southwest 2363, thanks, have a good day.
You too.
2363, a 738 from Salt Lake City.
American 2308, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
27 clear for takeoff, American 2308.
2308, an Airbus 321. You're heading to Philadelphia. You have a nice flight. All right, we just had an Alaska land. I believe that's the flight from Portland, Oregon, an A320. That'd be Alaska Flight 611.
Alaska 611, turn left Bravo 8, contact ground.
Let's turn Bravo 8, Alaska 611.
It looks like we got a Spirit. Can't miss that yellow paint job. Heading for 27. They're heading back to Las Vegas. Those dancers got to get back on stage. You don't make money sitting on the plane.
Wings 260, Limber Tower, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 27, 3 wings 260.
United 704, Limber Tower, runway 27, line of point.
Line up weight 27 left, United 704.
Line up and wait.
That's runway 27 for United 704.
You're a Boeing 739 heading to Chicago O'Hare this morning. This afternoon, I guess, 12:47.
Yeah, 704, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff 27, United 704.
You're cleared for takeoff, United. We got American 1955 and Airbus 321 right behind you, heading to Dallas, Fort Worth.
Springs 260, contact SoCal departure.
Oh, SoCal Springs 260, I'm going.
2. American 1955, Limber Tower, runway 27, line up and wait.
Runway 27, line up and wait, American 1955.
Yeah, 704, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Hey, Parker 9704, so long.
American 1955, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, American 1955.
Off you go, American, heading to Dallas, Texas.
Corporate 6 Limber Tower, clear in the Bravo airspace as requested. Report prior to the eastbound altimeter 3009.
Beautiful Point Loma off in the background. That's where you buy a $2 million house and then complain about the planes flying over you. Not everybody, but there's a few bad apples on that hill. I guess they didn't realize this airport's been here 75, 80, 100 years.
American 1955, contact SoCal departure.
Good day, American 1955.
Good day.
All right, we got a Boeing, what is it, a 738 MAX from Sacramento on short final. Welcome back to San Diego from Sacramento.
South 3157, let's run the Bravo enable and contact around. Good day.
South of 3157.
All right, we got a SkyWest Embraer on short final, I believe, from Salt Lake City.
South 3360, Limerick Tower, wind 2108, runway 27, clear to land. That's just 95 Delta, just need to get a read back on that.
Say again, 95 Delta?
Just 95 Delta, just need to read back on maintaining visual separation.
Oh, we'll maintain visual separation, 95 Delta.
CS 93 Alpha, turn left, Bravo 8 Siggy.
Left at Bravo 8 going to 28 Alpha, SkyWest 983 Alpha.
CS 93 Alpha, taxi the ramp via Bravo, monitor ground the wind.
Ramp via Bravo, monitor ground, SkyWest 983 Alpha.
All right, on short final, Southwest 2881, a Boeing 738. Flew up the coast from Oakland. Welcome to San Diego, Southwest from Oakland.
Skyhawk 95 Delta, beam crystal clear.
Skyhawk 95 Delta, sending a Bravo airspace in a mile and a half, contact Island Tower 135.1.
Over to Island Tower 135.1, 95 Delta.
Plus 2081, turn left, Bravo 8 Siggy.
Bravo 8 going to gate 8, Southwest 2881.
Plus 2081, taxi the ramp via Bravo, monitor ground.
Bravo, monitor ground, Southwest 2881.
And we got the JAL 787-800 Dreamliner. And that was SkyWest and Embraer from San Francisco. Welcome back to San Diego. There's the beautiful...
CS 3360 Siggy.
K21.
That's 3368, taxi the ramp via Bravo, monitor ground.
Ramp via Bravo, monitor ground, SkyWest 2368.
That beautiful JAL Dreamliner heading to runway 27. For the about 10.5 hour flight across the Pacific to Tokyo's Narita.
Spinner 65 heavy lumber turn.
Spinner 65 ready.
Spinner 65 heavy runway 27 clear for takeoff, wind 200. Traffic 7 mile final.
JetBlue holding runway 27, Spinner 65.
Under 553 caution wake turbulence departing heavy Dreamliner, wind 2308.
Frontier 553.
Beautiful aircraft. My favorite plane here at San Diego.
Spinner 65 heavy connex for departure.
Departure, Japan 65 ready.
Good day.
And I'll be on that flight in 3 months, hopefully. That's Frontier arriving. An A320neo from Denver, Colorado. Had a little birdie on the wing, not sure which.
Under 553, turn left Bravo 8, say gate.
Gate 18 off here, Bravo 8, Frontier 553.
Under 553, taxi the ramp via Bravo, monitor ground.
Monitor ground, Frontier flight 553.
All right, we got the Delta 767 heading to JFK taxiing. I believe that's American 644, a Boeing 738 heading to Chicago's O'Hare right in front of him.
Bearing 644, Lindbergh Tower, wind 2008, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, American 644.
All right, 644 heading to Chicago.
Lindbergh Tower, Skyhawk 5495 Delta over Coronado Bridge at 800 feet westbound for the Delta transition, northbound over Lindbergh.
This is 5495 Delta, squawk 0264, ident.
0264 and ident for 549.
This 95 Delta radar contact, clear through San Diego Bravo airspace for the Delta transition, maintain VF right above 1,500 for the crossing. Lindbergh altimeter 3009er.
Alright, clear Bravo at 1,500, and we're going to be departing to the north, so we'll head to Mission Bay, coming out of the Bravo, 5495 Delta.
This is 95 Delta, roger. Once you're north of the field, you can proceed to Mission Bay.
Alright, we'll head towards Mission Bay, when I'm north of the field, 5495 Delta.
Those 428, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, line up and wait, traffic 10 mile final.
27, line up and wait, Delta 428 heavy.
Here comes that beautiful 767-300 heading to New York City.
Tower Jet 500's with you, 27.
500 Limburg Tower. Fresh wake turbulence in positions heavy Boeing 767, wind 23010, runway 27, clear to land.
Land runway 27, Gamma Jet 500.
American 644, contact to departure.
American 644, good day.
Good day. Delta 428 heavy, wind 220 at 11, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
27, clear for takeoff, Delta 428 heavy.
Gamma Jet 500, traffic 12 o'clock and 6 miles northwest south, Cessna 1500.
Gamma Jet 500.
Cessna 905 Delta, traffic on a 6-mile final, citation 2400 descending.
Off you go, 767. Get off the ground.
Delta 428 heavy, contact to departure.
Delta 428 heavy, so
Gamma Jet 500.
And Gamma Jet 500's headed to signature.
Gamma Jet 500, roger.
Now that is a cool pilot voice. All right, this guy just came in from San Francisco. Where he sold an app and bought that jet.
Hey, Gamma Jet 500, if you can't make Charlie 6, make a 180 back taxi to Charlie 6, taxi to parking via Charlie Hotel and monitor ground the way in.
Okay, Gamma Jet 500, we'll make the 180 back off at Charlie 6 and monitor ground.
Little back taxi on the runway. Save a little bit of taxi time into the signature FBO.
And Tower, my apologies. You want us on 2185 for ground monitor?
Gamma Jet 500, you can just monitor ground, yeah, on the way in 123.9er, and you're clear to taxi in via Charlie Hotel.
Okay, Charlie Hotel, we're monitoring ground 239 Gamma Jet 500, thanks.
Over here is where the rich people keep their planes. Every now and then I'll see Michael Jordan's plane sitting there with his signature Dunk Nike looking emblem on the tail. He likes to play golf up the road in Carlsbad, California, about 30 miles. And I think that's a Delta taxiing, an A320 Delta 904. Heading to Minneapolis, St. Paul, the home of Prince. Rest in peace.
Delta 904 Limburg Tower, wind 2109er, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
We're takeoff 27, Delta 904.
We got a couple of Ospreys flying through the bay. Let me see if I can turn the camera. Off you go, Delta, to the Twin Cities.
Scout 711 Limburg Tower.
Limburg Tower, Scout 711. 55 miles south of Point Level request,
711, clear through San Diego Bravo airspace, northbound offshore, out below 500, Limburg altimeter 3009er, report Ocean Beach Pier.
3009er, look at Scout 701.
All right, I see. Here's that Delta Boeing 767 heading to the ATL Atlanta. Delta Flight 455. 767-300.
Delta 455 Heavy will be ready at 10.
Delta 455 Heavy, Limburg Tower, roger, wind 20010, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27 clear for takeoff, Delta 455 Heavy next.
Oh, some pretty sounding engines.
And JetBlue 620 being ready at the end of runway 27.
JetBlue 620, Limburg Tower, roger, runway 27, line up and wait. Crash point terminus, departing heavy Boeing 767.
Okay, line up, wait, runway 27, caution on the way, terminus JetBlue 620.
Delta 455 Heavy, contact circuit departure. That's 3 Juliet Whiskey, and the H60 traffic's now 2 south of the Crystal Pier 100 northbound. They have you in sight, maintaining visual separation. Clear to San Diego Bravo airspace, southbound offshore to below 500, Limburg altimeter 3008, report to Ocean Beach Pier.
Clear to Class Bravo, native contact, I'll be looking for at or below 500 feet, and we will report to the south for 3 Juliet Whiskey.
And JetBlue 620, wind 21010, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff, runway 27, JetBlue 620.
JetBlue and Airbus 321, you're heading to Boston's Logan Airport. Have a good flight cross country.
Native contact for 3 Juliet Whiskey.
Scout 711, leaving San Diego Bravo airspace to the north, frequency change approved.
That's
Traffic is tight, 3 Juliet Whiskey.
That's 3 Juliet Whiskey, roger.
That's a Navy helicopter guy, H60. Right across the bay from Lindbergh Field is Navy North Island. Must be a dozen helicopter squadrons based there.
And Limburg, JetBlue 620, you'd like us to go to departure?
JetBlue 620, affirmative, contact circuit departure.
And we got a Southwest, I believe that's a 738, perhaps the flight to Nashville, Tennessee. That'd be flight. That's Southwest 2363, if I'm seeing the correct aircraft. And to get some barbecue in Nashville.
Southwest 2363, Limburg Tower, wind 2208, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Southwest 2363, 27, clear for takeoff.
Yes, I was correct. Off to Nashville they go. And I believe that's 757-200, United 2163, taxiing to runway 27, heading to beautiful Newark, New Jersey.
Tower, United 2162 will be ready at the end.
At 2163, Roger, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, line up wait.
Line up and wait on 27, United 2163.
Southwest 2363, contact took at departure.
Good day, y'all. Southwest 2363.
Good day.
Good day, y'all. 2163. Line up and wait. That beautiful 757/200. I can smell your jet fuel up here. It smells good.
At 2163, wind 220 at 11, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, United 2163.
You're clear for
Juliet Whiskey, reverse the course at point Lima.
So 3 Juliet Whiskey, Roger, you're outside San Diego Bravo airspace, clearing to San Diego Bravo airspace northbound, offshore at below 500. Altimeter is now 3008, report crystal clear.
You enjoy your cross-country flight, United. You'll be in New Jersey in no time.
United 2163, contact took at departure.
Take care, United 2163.
Have a good flight.
Thank you, sir.